Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do RankAtom review, and I must say it is a pretty good deal because it is keyword research tool and you have a great chance to get a good tool on a lifetime deal. There are just a few keyword research tools hidden up some more and even less good ones. With RankAtom, you will be able to target long-tail keywords with low domain authority, target Serp weak spots, and get additional KGR score, which is keyword golden ratio. I will tell you about this in a minute. Also, you will get a rank tracker. Regarding license tiers, it will depend on your needs. You can start as low as $39 one-time payment with 60-day money-back guarantee. And if you are a heavy hitter regarding keyword research, then you have license tier 5 with 55,000 keyword credits per month. So what is golden keyword ratio? There is an article explaining SEO avalanche technique, which will be extremely useful for new website owners with low or no traffic at all, but it is also applicable for other websites as well. So in this article, it is explained what is the best strategy and how you need to pick up your first keywords to target to start ranking and getting traffic. And one of the factors in that technique is golden keyword ratio. It is a combination of factors showing weak spots and potentially good keywords. I found about that technique and golden keyword ratio from this video. I will leave the link to this in the description. The owner of Words at Scale channel explains in detail SEO avalanche technique. He also shows that RankAtom provides this KGR metric. So you can use RankAtom to your advantage to rank faster on Google. And the deal structure is great because you pay just once. For example, if we take into account license tier 2 for $99, comparing that to industry-leading Ahrefs, even a light plan starts from $89 per month and they do not provide free trial. Another popular keyword research tool like SEMrush starts as low as $129 per month. And again, with RankAtom, you just pay once and you get a lifetime deal. Okay, now let's move to actual review and demo of RankAtom. This is the main dashboard and conveniently they provide YouTube video which will give you quick idea how to use the tool. They even provide several steps how to use the tool, very nice onboarding. They provide dark mode, not the most needed feature, but nice to have. And before we start our keyword research, let's go to settings. And first of all, we have an option to add our custom weekspot domain. I saw in video from creators that they add youtube.com. And actually weekspot, meaning that if in top results of Google, there are sites like Quora, Reddit, then you have higher chances of ranking. Let's also enable keyword golden ratio and add a custom domain, one of my websites, and save. Now let's move to keyword research and let's start with AI writer keyword. We can see that keyword ideas generation has started. Regarding settings, we can choose which country to target and which language. I chose English by default. And while we are waiting for the result, just to give you an idea about that keyword, this is the volume that I get from Insta keywords, and competition is marked as very hard. So it means it is not a good keyword to target, but there might be long tail keyword which are better, like for example, essay AI writer. And this is how AI writer keyword looks like in Ubersuggest keyword research tool. This is the volume and SEO difficulty. So again, pretty difficult keyword to target. Okay, seems like initial search has finished. And well, just to reiterate, the main goal of this tool to find long tail keyword, high intent keywords, and to provide analysis of weak spots, providing you ideas of which keywords to target. So let's go to this report. We can see that we have several filters. We can sort by intent. We can sort by number of words in the keyword, include and exclude some words. We can filter out by volume, cost per click, by domain authority, by relevance. We can filter right away by weak spots. To the left, we also can see other groups. We can find suggestions, questions. Related keywords are similar ones. For example, not AI writer, but AI rewriter. Also very nice to have such suggestions. Of course, as well, you can do export in Excel format. So imagine you have chosen few keywords by some filters, for example, with low search volume. So then let's pick a few. And once you select several keywords, you can go and analyze those to get additional insights. Okay, the analysis just ended and it took more than 5 minutes to complete. And now we will see the real power of RankAtom. Here, these targets represent top 10 results in Google search. To the right, we can see lowest domain authority, highest domain authority, and KGR metric. This is golden keyword ratio, which is used in SEO avalanche technique. So you can use it as one of the indicators when you choose which keyword to target. Bottom left, we can see our legend, like no weak spots, low domain authority, user-generated website, like LinkedIn content posted by a user, good opportunities for our custom domain or our website. Now let's get back to our Serp analysis. And here in a visual way, we can see weak spots. We can also sort by keyword golden ratio. We can see low domain authority. We can see user-generated content. For this keyword, number 7 result in Google is article from LinkedIn. Number 8 is link to Quora. So we have a potential to beat these results because probably we won't be able to beat domain authority of 53 or 88. Looking further, there are other weak spots for other keywords, low domain authority. And for example, for AI paragraph writer keyword, on the 7th place in Google search, there is website with domain authority 1. So if you will have a good content on this keyword, you have very high chances to beat this particular result. For this particular keyword, best AI writer, we can see that in top 10 Google search results, there is Reddit post and Quora post. So potentially you have high chances to rank here, but please pay attention to KGR and other indicators as well. Also worth mentioning that there is rank tracker included in RankAtom. So you will be able to track how particular keywords are performing for a particular domain. RankAtom has yet another feature called BERT analysis. And actually, what is BERT score? We can see the answer from the creator of the tool that BERT analysis will give you score for long tail keyword like questions that will give you guidance about getting into Google answer snippets and potentially into Google Bard AI generated answers. And one more feature, competitor analysis. So you just need to add a particular domain and then you will see how competitors are ranking for all tracked keywords. Also nice to have feature. Alright, moving to a conclusion. In my opinion, RankAtom is a great deal, almost a steal. So if you have a chance to get it on a lifetime deal, just go and get it. Try it for 2 months. If you won't like it, you can return it. But it is a rare case when a solid keyword research tool is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. And I must say that I'm also looking to get this tool for myself. RankAtom has great visual representation of weak spots in your particular keywords, works fast, and I must say it is pleasant to use as well. So to get this tool, please check my affiliate links in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.